Hi guys, welcome to Books and Stories by Ronak. I hope you all are doing great. So today I bring to you another book recommendations video. I have made a collection of books from different genres which I feel are ideal to gift someone. So without further delay, let's begin. So the first book that I have is Brit Mary Was Here by Frederick Backman. Now, it is a warm and nuanced book and also very interesting. Frederick Backman is one of those authors that writes warm, fuzzy characters and books around situations that are not very ideal, but at the end, you do find some silver lining out of it. So, I have read another book of the same author, which is The Man Called Ove. And let me tell you, I delayed completing the book for around 2-3 months. The book is such an emotional read and I couldn't finish it. I was literally I was very heartbroken. And even though right now, if I just think about that book, that story, it just melts my heart. You need to read Frederick Backman's books. He just writes stories that will really touch your heart. So this is the first book. The next book that I have is They Do It With Mirrors by Agatha Christie. So how can I, just not, make a list without including a classic book? So Agatha Christie's books, she writes such beautiful books around, very uncommon situations. I read one of her another books, The Murder on the Orient Express, and I just loved it. It was a very thriller it was a very thriller kind of story, and I absolutely loved it. The thing about classics is that you can, if you want to give someone, you can find the first editions in second-hand bookshops, and it's a very perfect book to give someone. So the next book that I have is बहुत दूर कितना दूर होता है by Manav Paul. Okay. So, if you know someone who likes reading Hindi literature and has fallen off the bandwagon and wants to get back to reading, this is the perfect book. It is very poetic and is very and it has elements of nature. Now, if you might have heard the name of this author. If you are very frequent in watching Bollywood movies. Manav Kaul is a Bollywood actor as well. He has acted in many movies and series as well. And when I came across this book, I was literally a bit surprised. But this is a very nice book for someone who loves reading Hindi books. And because I don't read quite as much Hindi or as any regional literature, I liked this book a lot and I am looking forward to reading Hindi more as well. Okay, so the next book that we have is another one of my favorites. Now this book is called Normal People by Sally Rooney. Now it is again a very nuanced and a different kind of book which has a different take on relationships. It's not a normal relationship. It's a very it's a love story which is also very different, that makes it all the more interesting, and it has a lot of dialogues between the two characters, and how the story revolves around how the characters, they situations come around in a way that then takes them away from each other and then brings them back together, and how they grow as people and as a couple. So this is a very warm and nice book, and it's also very whole, and it's very wholesome read, and you can just gift it to very close friend of yours. If you want to if you want a good book recommendation, this would be it. Now let me tell you, there are very few series or movies, if they are adapted into books. There are very few of such movies and series that actually do justice to the book. But this book is also being adapted into a mini series by the same name, Normal People, and it's available on Amazon Prime. And the series is as fabulous as the book. I have I have not watched the series as yet, but from what I have heard, and by just the trailer of the series, I could just tell you that the series is as perfect as the book. And again, I read another book of this author, Beautiful World, Where Are You? And it's just a very nice book. Okay, so this is another good book recommendation. Okay, the next book that I have is Crazy Rich Asians by Kevin Kwan. Now, I'm pretty sure you all must have heard this name, and because it is made into a movie which goes by the same name, which is available on Netflix. So the premise of the book is that the girl falls in love with the boy, and then they move to Singapore for to get married, and then the girl discovers that the boy is too rich. He's the richest of the richest, and then she comes to know about his lifestyle, etc., etc. And there's a lot of drama in this book. Now who doesn't love drama? So this is a book you can gift to your buddy, and it's just you can give to your book buddy, and you can read together. It's very nice. It's very that kind of book, and it's also a page turner. Although this is very common, the story is too common, but it will just definitely you will love reading it. It's also very nice and comfortable and quick read. So yeah, you can definitely consider this book as well for gifting someone. Okay guys, so that's it for today. I hope you liked my video, and I'm going to link all the books in the description box as well. You can check them out. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Till then, happy reading. Bye.